Okay, good morning children. So yesterday class what we learned about? We learned about the fraction. What is called a fraction children? It is a part of a whole. Fraction is called a part of a whole. So the number fraction having what are those parts? Numerator, denominator. So both numerator and denominator separated by one line. What is called that line? Vinculum. What is called that line? Vinculum. And next what we learn types of fractions. What is the first type? Proper fraction. What is called proper fraction now? A fraction which is numerator is less than the denominator is called proper fraction, and it is always less than 1 only. Okay, and next improper fraction. A fraction is which numerator is greater than the denominator or equal to the denominator is called improper fraction. It is always greater than 1 or equal to 1. And next type of fraction is mixed fraction. What is called mixed fraction? It is a combination of whole number and proper fraction. It is called a mixed fraction. Already we learned example 1 yesterday. Now we are going to the example 2 answer. Okay children? So what is example 2 children? Represent 3 1 by 6 as an improper fraction. Here mixed fraction given 3 1 by 6. You can convert it into an improper fraction. Yesterday what we learned? Improper fraction given, you have to convert into mixed fraction. Now here mixed fraction given, now you have to convert into improper fraction. Pictorially we can do first. Okay. So 3 1 by 6. 3 is a whole number part or not? Yes. So first you should draw 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. I draw some small boxes because the space is not enough. 1, 2, 3. Next 3 boxes fully completed. So 3 boxes you should shade it. All parts could be shaded. And next proper fraction. What is that fraction? 1 by 6. 1 by 6 means you should draw one box, and this box can be divided into how many parts children? What is the denominator? 6. So you should divide 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many parts you should shade it? What is the numerator? 1. So you can shade 1 part. Okay, ma? So this is 1 plus 1 plus 1. How much? 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 6. So 1 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1. Sorry, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1 by 6 means 3, 1 by 6. Okay, now you should convert into an improper fraction. How you should convert children? So this box can be divided into 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next box also divide into 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next one also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next box divide into 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here total 1 only now. So you should shade all the parts. Shade all the parts. Now how can you write it in fraction? You should shade all the parts now. So write 6 by total parts how many? 6. Here also shade all parts. Now write this as a fraction. Here also all parts are shaded 6 by 6. This one also shade all parts. 6 by 6. Here only one part shared. Write it as fraction 1 by 6. Okay. Now you should add here. So all are we are written in fractions. Now all the denominators are same or not? All the denominators are same. You should add all these fractions. So the numerators you should add 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 1. How much? 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 19 by 8. Sorry, 19 by 6. It is an improper fraction or not? Yes, it is an improper fraction. Did you understand how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction? In another way, or 3 1 by 6. How can you write? 6. 6 into 3. Denominator into whole part. Plus numerator. 6 3 is how much? 18 plus 1 by 6. 18 plus 1 how much? 19 by 6. This is the pictorially we done here. Here this is directly we done here. Okay? Come on, write. Next, put a heading equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. So what is called equivalent fraction? Equivalent fractions have the same value. Whether they look different, okay, whether they look different but their value is same. That is called equivalent fraction. Write down. Equivalent fractions have the same value, even though they may look different. They may look different. So equivalent fractions have the same value even though they may look different. See here example 1 by 3. It is equal to 2 by 6. Why? You should multiply with 2, both numerator and denominator. What is that? 2 1s 2, 2 3 6. Okay. Again, this 1 by 3 is equal to 3 by 9. Multiple with 3, both numerator and denominator. 1 into 3, 3. 3 3 is 9. 3 by 9. So these are our equivalent fractions. Okay, children? Come on, write. Okay, children. Next example 3, children. Write the equivalent fractions of 2 by 7. So equivalent fractions of 2 by 7 are, so you can write equivalent fractions of 2 by 7. So what is that equivalent fraction is what I told? You can multiple with both numerator and denominator with same number. Okay. You can take any number as you wish. Suppose 2 by 2. 2 2s how much? 4. 7 2s 14. 2 by 7 into 3 by 3. 2 3 6. 7 7 3 is 21. 2 by 7 into 5 by 5. 2 5 10. 7 5 35. Okay, children? Like that, you should do the equivalent fractions. You should multiple with both numerator and denominator with same number, or you should divide also. Okay, or you should divide with both numerator and denominator by the same number. That also called equivalent fractions. Okay, ma? Come on, guys. Like fractions. So what are called like fractions? Already we know. What are called like fractions? Fractions with same denominator are called like fractions. Right up. Fractions with the same denominator are called like fractions. Are called like fractions. Can you tell me examples? 1 by 12. 1 by 12. 2 by 12. 7 by 12. 5 by 12. 9 by 12. Like that. So here observe, all the denominators are same or not? Yes, these are like fractions. Okay. And next, unlike fractions. What are called unlike fractions? Yes. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Fractions with different denominator are called unlike fractions. Example, tell me. 1 by 2, 5 by 3, 6 by 4, like that. Observe here, denominators are different. So these fractions are unlike fractions. Right now.